To the other big story, and that's PVR INOX, which is in focus after Pushpa 2. The Allu Arjun starrer has seen a whopping 165 crore collection on day one. The sequel has now dethroned the Shah Rukh Khan's Jawan to become the biggest opener of all time in Hindi. Shilpa is here with the details. Shilpa.
Well, you're absolutely right. Pushpa 2, which released yesterday, has been seeing some, record-breaking collections. It has become the biggest opener for not just for the Hindi film industry, but for the Indian film industry in total. 165 crores is the net box office collections that it saw yesterday. And in addition to that, it also clocked 10 crores on the special premieres a day ahead, which was held in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Bangalore. Now, from the 165 crores, most of it obviously came in from the Telugu version, which was about 85 crores, and the Hindi version raked in about 65 crore rupees. And this is the data that we've got, from the industry. And like you said, it has become the biggest opener, and it has also broken the records of RRR, which was earlier the biggest opener, and that had clocked at somewhere at about 156 crore rupees, and then Jawan, which had clocked at somewhere around 65 to 70 crore rupees on their opening day. Now, I spoke to some of the movie exhibitors, and they're telling us that yesterday the occupancy levels, firstly in the 5 southern states, were about 95 to 100%, and the rest of the India, excluding the south states, was about upwards of about 75%. And the reviews of the movie have been really good from yesterday, and so they're expecting the overall occupancy over the weekend also to be similar levels of 75 to about 100%. And these exhibitors are also expecting that Pushpa 2 will go on to break records, not just in terms of the opening day, but in terms of gross box office collections, and could be the biggest Indian movie that we have seen so far. So Pushpa 2 is really staying true to its tagline, whether you call it Pushpa 2 the rule or spreading like wildfire. Record-breaking box office collections there.
Just a quick, Shilpa, thank you very much for that. Look at